I call my strength back from every place it's been, from every person, space, or hidden realm within. From every moment, every memory, every past, I gather my energy, my power is recast. I reclaim my essence from all that has drained, from every loss and every bond that's remained. I take back my vitality from where it once flowed, bringing it back to me, where it rightfully goes. I release the burdens that I've carried too long, laying down the weight that didn't belong. I let go of the pressures, the guilt, and the fear, making space for new beginnings to appear. I forgive all the hurts and the wounds of the past, forgiving others and myself at last. I embrace the lessons, the growth that they bring, and step forward with peace, ready to spread my wings. I cloak myself in a shield that's radiant and bright, protecting my spirit, shining with light. I face my shadows and the doubts that I hold. With compassion and courage, I make my heart bold. I clear out the clutter from my mind and my soul, restoring my vision, making myself whole. I take time for reflection, to understand what's inside, healing the fragments where my power did hide. I take up my space in the world, without hesitation, standing tall and proud in every situation. I speak my truth clearly, my energy leads the way, my light shines before me, guiding each day. I manifest my desires with a confident heart, turning dreams into reality where they start. My vibrations resonate with a harmonious tune, pushing away negativity like the light of the moon. I align with my purpose, with clarity and grace, knowing that my power is in its rightful place. I embrace my strength, my spirit is intact. In every breath and every moment, I reclaim my power back. I reclaim my power back.